Say hello to your new partner in success, the Bank of Baroda Supply Chain Finance. So, what exactly is the Bank of Baroda Supply Chain Finance? Put simply, it's a set of solutions that optimizes and accelerates cash flows by extending short-term finance to dealers and suppliers that are part of the value chain of large companies. Let's look at how it works in practice. Now imagine, you're a parts supplier to a large company. Once you get the purchase order, you make the part and deliver it, and then send in the invoice. Typically, there's a credit period involved, which means you as the supplier get paid after several weeks. The problem is slightly different if you're a dealer or a distributor of a large company. If you are able to pay upfront for the goods you buy, then you can extract a big discount from the seller, which then becomes your profit margin. But to make the payment upfront, you need steady working capital flow, which isn't possible because the retailer, the one you sell to, needs credit period as well. So you see, working capital is a problem, whether you're a vendor or a distributor. When you borrow from a bank on your own, the interest rates are higher and you have to provide primary security and collateral security. But when you opt for the Bank of Baroda Supply Chain Finance solutions, you end up with a win-win. You not only get paid faster, but the cost of capital is cheaper than that of conventional loan. Bank of Baroda Supply Chain Finance is designed to help you do three things: integrate, accelerate, and transform. How? Take a look. The entire process from approval of invoice by your buyer to dispersal of loan happens seamlessly between all parties on a digital platform, allowing automated reconciliation with your ERP system and generation of MIS. The supplier and buyer get real-time alerts on transaction status, from credit approval to actual loading of limit to your account, so that you immediately get your purchase team to swing into action. In addition, you can decide who in your organization receives the alerts, be it your procurement head, manufacturing head, the sales and marketing chief, or your CFO. A sudden surge in festive demand or bulk order often leaves the supplier scrambling for working capital. But with Bank of Baroda Supply Chain Finance, such events are never a challenge because our fast-track ad hoc credit limits empower you to decide the flexibility you need. Bank of Baroda Supply Chain Finance isn't just about working capital. Indeed, its real value comes from streamlined business processes, greater financial supply chain visibility, and vastly reduced financial risk. And that is transformational. Bank of Baroda Supply Chain Finance is live now. Get in touch with us if you want your business transformed. We are waiting.
Bank of Baroda Supply Chain Finance. Nurturing relationships, transforming businesses.